Hello and welcome to Business Kitz. My name is Rianala and today we're going to go through the importance of having an Australian business number for selling on Etsy. In this video, we will go through the implications of selling on Etsy with or without an Australian business number. So let's dive into it.
Etsy is an e-commerce company that focuses on handmade or vintage items, as well as various crafts made by individuals. Forming a legal structure for yourself around Etsy can be daunting, but in this Business Kitz video, we will discuss whether you need an ABN to start selling on Etsy and the potential pros and cons of acquiring one. So, do you need an ABN to sell on Etsy? In simple terms, no. An individual does not need an ABN to sell on Etsy, but there are a lot of things to consider. If you classify your business for sale as a personal hobby, there is no need to acquire an ABN for this. However, if you're earning enough money from selling on Etsy in order for it to be classified as a job, then you will likely need an ABN to back this up. An ABN has never been compulsory for your hobby. However, it does allow you to facilitate and claim a variety of factors when it comes to operating your business. Firstly, it allows you to facilitate a business activity statement, which is submitted to the Australian Taxation Office in order to report any matters dealing with tax obligations, including GST, pay-as-you-go withholding and install payments, fridge benefits, wine equalization tax, and luxury car tax. Secondly, it allows you to confirm your business identity to others when you are ordering and invoicing for your business, making it seem more legitimate and professional. It also eliminates and avoids pay-as-you-go tax on payments you receive. Thirdly, it also allows you to claim goods and services tax credits, energy credits points, and obtain an Australian domain name. Given the fact that these are all irrelevant whenever you are starting out, any small business should still register for an ABN, as it is free, easy, and also gives your business some sort of legitimacy whenever you're dealing with customers. Generally speaking, an ABN to sell on Etsy will be issued upon completion of the registration form. However, if there is any missing information or any information that has been unable to be verified, applications will need to be processed manually and could take up to 28 days. Tracking is always available throughout the entire process. In Australia, failing to register for an ABN when you have a turnover of $75,000 or more can result in hefty penalties for startups. The Australian federal government has increased its focus on enforcing the ABN regime in the hopes of generating revenue income from non-compliant businesses. If you fail to register for an ABN, you could be fined over $10,000 or even face charges for making false or misleading statements. While an ABN may not be necessary for sole traders on Etsy, there are important implications to consider. As a business owner, obtaining an ABN at an early stage is a wise decision. It can help you avoid fines and penalties for non-compliance and ensure that your business is properly registered with the Australian government. This crackdown has resulted in the Department of Finance and Deregulation receiving more than $80 million to standardize the business name and reporting process of startups. This means that new companies and businesses will likely face more upfront checks to ensure they adhere to rules.
Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to follow us for more informative content at businesskitz.com.au.